This application is easy to use. Create an account first. Log in with your existing. Tap the scan and it will give the results. Philippines total production of chicken is 439,956 metric tons. Poultry owners in Luzon, Philippines, vaccinate their chickens to disinfect disease. DA. Region 3 has reported the death of about 41,000 birds from the disease. To solve the problem, the group will create an application that can identify easily the disease of the chickens. An application that will give specific treatment, medication, and that will solve the problem by scanning the eyes of the chicken. Iridology. This application will help to reduce the number of chickens' death. Poultry diseases. Offered by University of Missouri. The difference between the existing application to my idea is the application can not just give information but will also provide the main disease of the chicken that shows medications. The main user of this application are the poultry farmers. Chicken are the most type of poultry all over the world. Chicken are usually raised in an intensive farming environment. Using this application it can help the poultry farmers to immediately identify the disease of chickens. Using this application the group can make money by selling it to the chicken stressor companies, feeds producer, farmers and cockers. Disease of chicken can determine through eyes. Redness of the eyes, watery eyes and teary eyes and one eye close and spots, are the common disease of chickens that can be seen in the eyes.